said prevention is better than cure. It meant a little bit of maintenance every single day would save you from a lot of damage later in life. Try to relate that with oral health education. That would be us talking about the maintenance of our mouth. So, if we're talking about the maintenance of our mouth, we'll be treating a very strong topic, which is cleanliness. How do we clean and care for our mouths? So, firstly, I'll be talking about materials used in cleaning the mouth. There are several materials used in cleaning the mouth, but the first material is a toothbrush. There's nobody today that does not know how a toothbrush looks like or what a toothbrush is. Toothbrushes has been in existence since back in the day. That was when people were still using chewing sticks before an evolution came and we started using toothbrushes till date. Toothbrush now exists in two forms, which are the manual and the electric toothbrush. I'm going to attach a picture of that. Our toothbrush is a very important material used in cleaning the mouth. A toothbrush is divided into the handle, the shank, and the bristle. This is also the base of the toothbrush. The handle is where the operator holds while performing the act of brushing. The shank is the place that connects the handle to the bristle of the toothbrush. This is the bristle. The bristle is used to perform brushing, and this is the base used to keep the bristle together. Altogether is the structure of a toothbrush. What differentiates this from our electric toothbrush is just the fact that electric toothbrush are powered by either battery or by electricity. Still on toothbrushes, in our last video, we've made known that toothbrushes is one of the popular materials used in cleaning the mouth. One more thing we need to know about the toothbrush is that we have three types of bristle. Do not forget, these are the bristle, the place in the toothbrush that is used to perform brushing that goes into the mouth. This is called a bristle. We have three types of bristles in a toothbrush: the soft, the hard, and the medium. These are soft bristles. Soft bristles are mostly used by children. They're mostly used by children or by adults with prone sensitivity to their teeth or gums. For example, an adult with a condition known as gingivitis, because of how highly sensitive their teeth and their gums will be, this kind of toothbrush would be recommended to such adults so that there can be less pressure and less wearing and tearing of the gums that are already sensitive. This is the medium bristle toothbrush, and this is the most recommended type of toothbrush. Yes, I said it is the most recommended. These are the only toothbrush that adults should be using. This type of toothbrush does a great job in cleaning and eliminating plaques and tartar from the mouth, thereby performing what we all know as brushing to clean and eliminate bacteria and microorganisms from the tooth structure. Lastly, which is the hard bristle toothbrush. As you can see, its bristles are very rigid. That was, they're very strong. That's why they're called the hard bristles. This type of toothbrush are usually recommended for people with extreme conditions. Like for example, smokers. They have extrinsic and most time intrinsic stains in their teeth. These toothbrushes are recommended for them to remove such stains, and they don't even use it for a long period of time. These toothbrushes are not supposed to be your everyday toothbrush. I notice people still use this type of toothbrushes every single day. I beg you, stop it. It's not recommended for you. You are just damaging your enamels and you are wearing and tearing your gums without knowing. It is not the harder you brush, the cleaner your teeth. It takes skills, not pressure. Okay? Toothbrushing is a skill. It's not an act of force. If you still use this type of toothbrush every single day, you need to stop it because you are damaging your teeth over time. Over time, you're going to see the damage that you've caused to your teeth. So please always use the most recommended type of toothbrush, which is the medium bristle toothbrush. So stay on this channel to watch more oral health videos, everything oral health.